Welcome to another video of College Dekho. In this video, we are going to talk about GPAT exam pattern, number of question, duration, and important instruction. GPAT exam pattern. GPAT is a computer-based examination that is conducted by NTA. The exam will have 125 multiple choice questions carrying a total of 500 marks, and the candidate will be given 3 hours to complete the exam. The question asked in the GPAT will be based on multiple subjects. In order to score well in the GPAT, one must be well acquainted with the exam pattern. Some of the major highlights of GPAT are shown in the table below. GPAT subject-wise weightage. A total of 125 questions will be asked in GPAT. The weightage of each subject as well as the number of questions and the maximum marks are mentioned in the table below. For pharmaceutical chemistry, 38 questions will be asked weighing 152 marks. For pharmaceutics, 10 questions will be asked weighing 152 marks. And for pharmacology, 10 questions will be asked weighing 40 marks. For pharmacology, 28 questions will be asked weighing 112 marks. And for other subject, 11 questions will be asked weighing a total of 44 marks. GPAT marking scheme. The marking scheme for GPAT will help the candidate in calculating the probable marks after the release of GPAT answer key. In GPAT, 4 marks will be awarded for every correct answer. For every wrong answer, 1 marks will be deducted. No answer will be deducted for unanswered question. There will be negative marking in GPAT exam. Important instruction for GPAT exam. The candidate shall report at the examination center 2 hours before the commencement of examination so that they can complete the registration formalities before the time of exam. In GPAT, computer-based test candidates are required to sit in front of a computer terminal allotted to them against their roll number and admit card. For login, candidate will have to enter the login ID and password. After login, the computer terminal allotted to the candidate will display candidate photograph and subject opted by the candidate. The candidate should ensure that the question paper shown on the computer is as per the opted subject code mentioned in the admit card. In case the subject code of the question paper is other than the opted code, then it must be brought to the notice of the concerned invigilator. In case the computer or mouse allotted to any candidate malfunction anytime during the test, then he or she will be immediately allotted another computer system and the time lost due to this will be adjusted in the server as to give the candidate the full allotted time. All the calculation or the writing work is to be done only in the rough sheet provided in the examination center, and on the completion of exam, candidate must hand over the rough sheet to the on-duty invigilator. Hope you found this information useful, and do not forget to invade our comment section and leave your thought as well. If you have any doubt, then do not forget to visit our official website at www.collegedekho.com.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.